to Bhutas International TV, special news bulletin on updates of COVID-19. Today we have important guests participating from different countries. I am Dr. ABMK Varaprasad, medical nutritionist, psychologist and clinical hypnotist, participating from India. Dr. Ramakrishna Shah, UN representative and President of Human Rights Council of America, updating from USA. Welcome, sir. Mr. Rajkumar, nutritional expert, updating from India. Welcome, sir. Mr. Rajiv Kumar, who is a research scholar in a pharma industry, updating from Algeria. Welcome, sir. Mr. Kapil Dev Shah, who is staying in Bahrain, a well-known medical nutrition expert. Welcome, sir. Presently, if we observe all over the globe, more than 1,17 lakhs people were affected all over the world, and around 5,41,000 people died. And this is the present situation. And the top leading country with corona cases, USA, followed by Brazil, third rank India, and fourth rank USSR, Russia. This is the present situation. India's condition also gradually becoming worst. Now let us see the updates from different countries. Dr. Ramakrishna Shah, could you please update from USSR?
Thank you, Dr. Bhara. USA condition is still in bad condition. Lot of people die here, and actually I have no accurate data, but still here I have lot of problem. Social problem. Social people are not manage social problem. And people visiting park, people visiting different way without mask. Some people take mask, some people do not take mask. So this is the problem. But and lot of restaurant open, and food center also open. So this is the problem for United States.
Thank you.
So here only social distance problem, no have got other problem, because government support lot, government help, government doing great job here. So no have other problem, only social distancing problem in the USA. And if social distancing going to manage, then mortality going to reduce.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Shah. And Mr. Rajkumar, could you please update the condition of India? What about the present situation of India?
7,50,000 cases are there, sir. 1,50,000 cures, sir. 21,000 deaths, sir. India.
Okay.
In Andhra Pradesh, 20,000 cases are there, sir. 9,000 are cured. Nearly 58 deaths are there. But nowadays, everybody having the awareness of corona, but literally it is not possible to maintain this. Why? Because so much crowd in markets, malls, hospitals, like this. That's why it is spreading fast.
Okay.
Going like a mollusk.
Okay.
That's why the care to be taken very much. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you very much. Mr. Rajiv Kumar, what about the North India's position? Could you please update?
Yeah, good morning. There is a situation is very critical, because Delhi, if you think Delhi is very critical cases. Now is 1 lakh is approximately total cases. But the good thing is the recovery rate is the 73 to 74%. And second thing, there is many people suffering from treatment because the government always said many beds is available, but the ground reality is not same. The ITBP is also prepare in Delhi 10,000 beds, and also DRDO prepare 1,000 beds. But the government say always available, but the reality is not same thing. So this is the many people is suffering these types of situations. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Rajiv. And Mr. Kapil Dev, what about the condition of Bahrain? Could you please update?
Thank you, Dr. Parapat Shah. Actually, instead of talking about the data of this COVID-19 affected cases, I would like to talk about the social condition. That would be better, I feel. Actually, social condition in Bahrain is not bad. Everything is normal. All the malls are open. There is no lockdown. All the offices are open. And just we have to, there's a precautionary measure has been implemented by the government. So that has to be followed strictly. So other than everything is okay. But instead of this one Bahrain, I would like I have some cases. I have gone through some newspaper and news channel. So I found some cases out there in Nepal.
Okay, thank you very much. See, here it is the social condition if you observe, particularly in India. Okay, I'm staying in...
Disconnected.
Yes, please continue.
Hello? Yeah, okay. So, effect of lockdown, I have divided in these three parts. First part is effect of lockdown on social condition. So, I want to mention about this one. So, whenever the government is making lockdown, it is a universal truth that if you have good diet, you can engage your immune system and you will improve your immune system. You can fight very easily any infection like virus or anything. So, but in lockdown, most of the people they are not getting proper food and proper fruits and vegetables. How they can improve their immune system? So this is one thing. Second thing, and because in Kathmandu Post, it was published on 15th June 2020. More than 1,200 people suicided during 74 days of lockdown. Nepal. I'm talking about Nepal.
How many people?
1,200 people.
1,200 people suicided because lack of food during the lockdown.
Yeah, during the lockdown, yeah. The suicide case was registered. So, when by this COVID-19, the death rate was very low. There was 30, only at that time when this was published that day, only 30 people was died by COVID-19. So, see that lockdown effect is hugely affected the normal people. Another case happened in 138-year-old
Kapil, your network problem always. Okay, now he can rejoin. See, the condition is worst even in the case of Hyderabad also. India, right? Andhra Pradesh. So there also the condition is becoming too worst because most of the people they vacated from the Hyderabad, and the main problem is some people are not getting admitted to the hospitals also. I will tell you an example. One lady, she moved nearly to 10 hospitals. The whole night they are revolving here and there only. Even in the 10 hospitals also, no hospital give permission to join in that hospital, admission. Because of that one, after 10th hour what happened, she died. So from that we can understand, even the recommendations also going on, MLAs, MPs recommendations are going on for admitting the hospitals. This type of worst condition is going on, one side. Another side is, the people, let us say, because of the previous 3 to 4 months lockdown, most of the below poverty line people are facing difficulty for getting the food items. So because of the food items, what happened, their immune system also very, very low. That type of situations are going on. Recently, day before yesterday, So two people after going to one government hospital can be called as a Gandhi hospital. Now here it is what happened because of overcrowded. The policemen, they stopped in the gate itself and they waited nearly 4 hours in the main gate only. And there the lady died. And immediately followed by a second day, and some people were not admitted to the hospital, so that's why the whole night they slept in front of the gates only. 2 members died because of that situation. So in this way, the conditions are becoming worst every day. So the governments must take proper initiatives. See, here it is, even the government officials also, including the Chief Minister KCR, also got affected with coronavirus. So this type of things are going on. So the common man's life is gradually becoming worst, not only in one state and even in Maharashtra, as well as come to in other states also, the same type of things are going on. So one side is lockdown announced from July 1st to July 31st in the Telangana state. Another side is poverty line. Other side is after getting, let us say, corona, and their immune system is very low. That's why those people are revolving around the hospitals, and hospitals not at all giving permission to admit in the hospitals. So what about, let us say, the common man lifestyle? From that we can understand the condition is becoming every day worse and worse. So that's why on behalf of the Buddha's International TV, we are requesting and demanding the governments to take care about the common welfare people. So that's why even after giving the permission to the private hospitals also, these corporate hospitals are charging around 7 to 10 lakhs per candidate for the coronavirus treatment. Some hospitals now they are demanding 1 lakh per day. So 2 weeks quarantine means now they are demanding 14 lakhs. That type of situations are going on, and the people are getting fear, lack of the food, mean how can they pay the money? That type of situations are going on. So that's why we are requesting the common people, take care about your health. See here, if you improve the immune system, and that is more than enough to protect your family members, yourself from the threats of not only this coronavirus but also any other problems. So that's why. But the people are crying lack of the food. How can we say you have to improve your immune system? That is our main problem is going on. So because of some states financial problems, they released the lockdown, and the people are not at all following the other rules and regulations because of lack of food. So this is a more problem for below poverty line people only. We are not talking about, let us say, other upper people. So that's why for getting the food, now they are going for the small works, and at the time now these people are affecting with this coronavirus, and because of that one they are planning to go to the hospital, and the hospital conditions we already discussed. That is the situation. So on behalf of Buddha International TV, we are requesting and demanding the governments to take care about the below poverty line people. So already Mr. Kapil mentioned 1,200 people died because of starvation, lack of the food. Only 30 people died because of the COVID-19. So that's why you can understand 30 people is COVID-19 death rate, and 1,200 people are hungry, lack of the food, they died, suicided. That type of things are going on. So if the situations are going on already from the last 2.5 months onwards, we have been announcing here the death rates are because of the hungry, not because of the COVID-19, if the situations are going on. So that's why, and the governments must take proper measures for, giving at least the basic food items. So otherwise what happened? The death rate is because of the hungry and not because of, let us say, other diseases. This type of things are going on in not only in India but also in almost all the developing countries. So, and in some countries where they took proper measures, like particularly awareness about the immune system. Let us think about those countries, very poor countries, like let us say Uganda in Africa, Namibia in Africa, 0 death rate. So, what does mean by that one? Just they took, let us say, proper measures for improving their immune system. And let us say, if you think about, let us say, those countries near to the China, for example, let us say, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, Bhutan, Mongolia. So all these countries, zero death rate. Nearly 1100 kilometers border to China. By this, Vietnam. But even till today, if you see, zero death rate. Why? They have strong immune system. So that's why now the government took a lot of measures for giving, let us say, good nutritional diet. But in other countries, what happened? Meaningless lockdowns right now they are implementing, and because of that one, what happened? The people are not at all getting the food items. So that's why in some countries, no lockdown, but no death rate, zero death rate. Do you know why? Because the governments and the other private organizations are spreading the message like immune boosting. So you have to improve the immune boost. Just we can think. But whereas let us say in other countries, those people are busy only with the medicines. Okay, always taking this medicine, that medicines, and this tablets, that tablets, and charging lakhs of rupees in the hospitals. But the death rate is very, very high. Because here we need to improve more immune system than that of the medical facilities. So in that way, we have to take care. Otherwise, what happened? Maybe, okay, in almost all the developing countries and underdeveloped countries, so the death rate is more because of the hungry than that of the COVID-19. That type of phenomenon takes place. So that is the situation is going on in India. Dr. Vijay Kumar Shah, sir, we cannot see your video.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So what is the position of Mumbai? Could you please explain to our viewers, sir?
See, in Mumbai, actually the number of patients are too much increased because of the sick population. That is the reason. Even in Pune, the big cities, this is a problem because they cannot keep the distance, and they are all most of them are in the slum area.
Okay. Now see, here it is. Another side is hydroxychloroquine. And let us see in this context, this malaria drug is not at all useful in that way. Okay, that New England Journal of Medicine clearly mentioned. But come to in India, particularly in the Maharashtra hospitals, the doctors are continuously giving this hydroxychloroquine. So, because of the situations, we are not getting the recovery of the patients, and apart from that one, the people are suffering. This type of things are also going on. So that's why always the people are busy only with the medicines, and nobody is, let us say, thinking about the immune system, particularly after admitting into the hospitals. So that's why we have to raise the voice, to improve your immune system, then only it is possible. Otherwise, what happened? Already Kapil mentioned in the Nepal situations, it is going on. It is going on even in India also, but we don't have a clear-cut survey about how many deaths took place because of normal starvation than that of this COVID-19. So, this is the present situation is going on. So that's why, the governments must take proper measures. With that one, we are signing off. Thank you very much for participating in today's interview. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Anything, sir? Dr. Shah?
भैया जी आपका पिक्चर नहीं आ रहा है, क्या हुआ है मोबाइल में?
साउंड